I am Dr. Sathya, working as an assistant professor in Department of Chemistry, SNS College of Technology. Today, we are going to discuss an interesting topic, fiber reinforced plastics. So, mainly fiber reinforced plastics is a composite material. It's made by combining. That means the combining of uh, plastic fiber polymer matrix with reinforced fibers, like the strength of fibers with the flexibility of lactase. This is a polymer matrix. So this fiber provides the strength and stiffness, while the plastic matrix binds to the fibers together and protect from the environment. So the comparing to the polymer, the strength and stiffness is a high, because the polymer matrix bind to the fiber together and protect the environmental damage. So fiber reinforced plastics, it's a look like a FRP is a lightweight materials also. Its components of FRP is the matrix and reinforced fibers we discuss now. So matrix is like polyester resin and epoxy resin, or vinyl ester resin. So any one plastic resin we are using here. And reinforced fibers means like glass fibers and carbon fibers and aramid fibers, like the calvier, like that. Okay, so the type of fiber reinforced plastics is a different type of fiber reinforced plastics used in nowadays, because mainly it's a glass fiber. Like a glass fiber is a very low cost and corrosion resistant. Carbon fiber is a very high strength to lightweight, I mean a high strength to weight ratio, and aramid fiber is a high impact resistance and toughness. So the different types of fiber matrix is here used now. So glass fiber is a strength and lightweight, and carbon fiber is a very high strength and stiffness, and also the aramid fibers is a high impact resistance and toughness. So the advantages mainly lightweight and corrosion resistance is the main advantages. So this is the different types of fiber reinforced, the fibers, and here the discontinuable reinforced. So the different types of fiber reinforced plastics here. This is a carbon reinforced preparation, is the molding and mold, how to the mold and padding, hot press cutting and release. So how to prepare the fiber FRP prepared. This is some simple preparation technique. So this is on fiberglass. For example, we have take fiberglass is the most common FRP. It's a consisting of the glass fiber embedded to the resin matrix. It's widely used in water tank, pipes, automobile components, like that. In simple terms, we are talking about the FRP. It's the only thing. It's a strong, lightweight, and made by reinforced plastic with the fiber, combining with the best properties of the both materials. So it's a very good application for fiber reinforced plastics. It's an aerospace structure and automobile and boat hulls and wide wind drive turbine blades, and construction we are using, like construction bridges and roofing sheet and reinforced bars, like that. So this is a simple in figures FRP composites. Different types of the FRP, and this is a classification: synthetic fiber and natural fiber, and applications we are simply given in the structures. We are using some bridge, no? So here we are using bridge, how to work the fiber reinforced plastics. So in this picture, so these are the applications of fiber reinforced plastic, where the applications are used highly initial cost than conventional matrix. It's a very difficult to recycle and can be brittle under the certain loading conditions, and repair may be complex. So this is some disadvantages. So mainly advantages is aerospace structures and automobile and electrically insulating and very low maintenance. This is the main advantages. So major carbon fibers reinforced plastics and their applications. This is some classification of FRP, the different types of FRP. FRP is mainly used in a lot of industries. So we concluded that FRP is the main composite material. It is made up of combining a polymer matrix and with the reinforced fibers. So this fiber provide high strength and stiffness, and also the plastic materials bind to the fiber together and product from the environmental. The type of FRP we are discussed in earlier, some glass fiber reinforced plastic and GFRP, and carbon fiber reinforced plastic, aramid fiber reinforced plastics. So this is a classification of FRP, and we are discussed some applications, aerospace application, automotive application, construction, marine, in marine boat hulls and ship structures, and electronics applications, some in electrical electronics in circuit boards, insulator and cable trays we are using now, and sports and recreation in tennis rackets and bicycles, fishing rods, hull. So these are the main advantages of FRP using in different areas. In design thinking, Fairfax, based on talk, it's a need for lightweight, strong and corrosion resistant material. That's why we are using FRP is a strong material to use in this day-to-day life. So in future trends, we are using bio-based FRP and recyclable composite material and smart FRP with the embedded and sensors, 3D printed FRP, and some sustainable natural fiber composites we are using in the future. Thank you.